Setting the time and date on the GM6900 is done like this. So in the standard timekeeping mode, simply press the adjust button on the upper left side, and here we go. The first in a row of settings is setting the seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by pressing the start stop button. Pressing the mode button gets us to our value setting, and you can set that setting or the value by pressing the start stop button. To engage the fast scrolling of the number, simply press and hold that button. Once you're done and find your time, simply release the button. So by pressing it once, you will change it, our value in increment of 1. Whilst setting the hour value, I'm going to show you how to set the 12 or 24 hour time format. And as you can currently see, the 24 means that the 24 hour time format is turned on. To shuffle between 12 and 24 hours, simply press the G button, that's the illumination button, and you can turn it on or off. When the PM, the watch is in the, or the time is in the PM section, the P will be indicated over here. So I'm gonna get it back to 24-hour time format by pressing the illumination button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the minutes value. Procedure is the same, so pressing this button over here, you can increase or decrease the value. I'm gonna get it back to 35. So 35 it is. There we go. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the year value, and you can shuffle between the year value by pressing the start button. The procedure is the same as well as for the hour and minutes value. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the month value. Pressing the start or stop button, you will shuffle the value of month. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the day value, and procedure is again exactly the same. Pressing this start stop button, you can shuffle between the value of month. I'm gonna get it back to 2, so it's the 2nd of November 2020, 0:36 at midnight. Once you're done with all of your settings, simply press the adjust button and the watch will implement all of those settings. And with that, I'm concluding this review and how-to tutorial on this watch. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch-related content. Thank you.